Hi everyone, welcome. In this tutorial I will be demonstrating you how to make a graphical dice. It's different than the previous dice that we have done in the tutorials. In the previous one it was only displaying numbers, and this time we will just show the LED numbers. The amount of the LEDs displays on the screen will show the number actually, but it's going to be in a graphical way. So after we finish this, we will see the dice numbers like this one. For number 1 we will see this. For number 2 you see there are 2 dots. For number 3, for number 4, and you see that there are 4 dots for 5 and 6. So let's start doing this by using block coding. Firstly, we will get the graphical dice numbers by shaking. So it's a shake base. Then we go to input and get the shake from here, and all I need to generate a number between 1 and 6, just like in the paper rock scissor. If you would like to check out paper rock scissor, you can find in the description also, and it's also similar to this one. Now I would like to firstly make a variable, because there are 6 possible answers in the dice, from 1 to 6, right? In that case I need to make a system that's going to generate a number randomly, and then for each number we will make an equation. Example, for number 1 show me only 1 LED, for number 2 show me only 2 LEDs on, and on. So for 5 we have 5 LEDs on. Firstly, I'm going to declare a variable. I call this dice number, okay? And then I'm going to get the set dice number. Example, if we set the dice number as a 1, okay, and we want to show this in the screen, okay, as a show number, and when I shake this it will always display 1. Alright, but in this dice it doesn't always show 1. It should show 5 more numbers, from 1 to 6. So we can use math, and there is a pick random number. Okay, so I'm gonna place this directly here, and the value interval will be between 1 and 6. Okay, so when I shake this one more time, so you see that it shows between 1 and 6. So it's changing that. So I think you understood the logic. We made the program generate between 1 and 6, right? Then I don't need to show this anymore. Now I can go with if conditions. All I need to say is from logic, if it's equal to 1, okay, if the dice number is equal to 1, I go to variable and I can get the variable from here. And if it's equal to 1, in that case you will show me the graphical dice, okay, that's gonna display the number 1. Let's quickly go to basics and then show LEDs. Nope, not, this is the wrong place. I put, and all I need to just show this dot. It means 1. Okay, I need to continue by adding more conditions, because I have 5 more possibilities, right? I have to say this one. I can also copy paste this. This time I will say if this one equal to number 2. If your die is equal to number 2, I can also duplicate this. Okay, in this case we will show only 2 dots, right? So I will add more condition by adding plus here. Actually, I can do this beforehand because I will need more. I could duplicate this. And I don't need to write the last condition because if you already define first 5 conditions, okay, if none of them is accepted, then your answer definitely will be the 6th one. Okay, for that reason you don't need to define the 6th condition. 5 condition is okay for the 6 possible answers. So as I said, if it's not 1, if it's not 2, if it's not 3 or 4 nor 5, then it's definitely gonna be 6, right? Then I don't need to say if dice number is equal to 6. All right, all I need to just show this one of them. Let's recap what we have done so far. As you see, I can show you like this. Okay, so from here we set the number to pick up from 1 to 6, and for each number I made an equation in statements. If dice number equal to 1, then show me only 1 dot. If dice number equal to 2, show me 2 dots. If it's equal to 3, show me 3 dots. If it's equal to 4, if it's equal to 5, then show me the as much as the numbers. And else, then show me 6 dots. Okay, so let's quickly send the codes and see how will it happen. Okay, now I'm going to try this. I get my microbit and then shake this. As you see, I got 3 in my first shake. I got 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 5. So it's going like this. Now we can quickly move on with Python programming language. We can build the same thing using Python programming language. I think you guys already excited to write codes. Let's go quickly Python, and then we're gonna start quickly with the while true, right? And you know, we use while true because we want him always in a loop. That loop always keeps this program active. And now in the block, as you remember in the block coding, it's based on the shake. Then I say if we can call the shake from the input, right, is gesture. So this code means it's going to control that if the microbit is shaked. And if you shake this, you know, we will also continue from this number. Okay, dice number it's our variable, which is going to generate number between 1 and 6. So I will say this one equal to random, so which means it's going to generate a random number between 1 and 6. And then I will say quickly if dice number equal to 1, okay, then show me from basics, show LEDs. Okay, that's going to show only 1 dot. Okay, that's in the middle. So again I continue with elif. Okay, elif, you know, if you are connecting more than one if statements, you have to continue with elif. Elif is the short way of saying else if. I'm saying dice number equal to 2. Okay, if this one equals to 2, this time you're gonna show me basic show LEDs. There will be 2 hashtags, right? And every hashtag means 1 dot, by the way. and I can turn this to dot, and we continue with another elif. Okay, and this time we say if dice number equal to 3. Okay, now after we write the fifth one, and then we will just say else. So that's ready. I will just send the codes. As you see, it sends the codes from this blink. So it works again. Alright, let's quickly recap what we have done so far. As you know, we use the while true. That's going to always keep our program active, always running, okay? And what are we going to check? We will check its gesture done by shake. So if in case it's shake, then we will generate a number, okay, between 1 and 6. And then beneath this code line, I mentioned all about conditional statements. If dice number equal to 1, then show only one LED. If dice number equal to 2, show 2 LEDs. And 3, 4, and for 5. By the way, for connecting each condition, I have used elif. Remember, that was standing for else if. Okay, that's the short way to declare these conditions. And here there is a else in the final code line where I declared the 6 dots. Okay. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this, and hopefully we see each other in another tutorial. All the best for you. Bye bye.